In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Now, the easiest way to do this is to just undo it because there's no delete button, okay? So if you're sure you want to undo it, you want to go to Settings cogwheel, top right, click on it, and then from here, you want to click on Reconcile. Now, in here, you'll see it's going to be the Reconcile tab, and up top right, when this loads, it's going to say History by Account. Click on History by Account, and from here, you want to select the account where you want to undo or delete your reconciliation. Now here I have one on my test account, and you can see there's like this arrow down button next to View Report under Action. Click on the arrow down button, and down here there should be an undo button. If you can see the undo button right now, you can click on it and then confirm it, and it's going to undo and essentially delete that reconciliation. But if you cannot see the undo button like me, that's because you have to be the accountant inside your QuickBooks company to actually be able to do this. So if you are the admin, you could make yourself the accountant, but if you're not the admin, you want to ask the admin to actually make you an accountant to be able to make this change. So you have to go to Settings, you have to go to over here where it says Manage Users, and then over here you'll see, of course, you have your users. So here you have users and accounting firms, and you want to basically invite an accountant as yourself, or of course the admin has to make you an accountant for you to be able to do that. Now I can't do it, I can't actually show you exactly how to do this because I'm in test drive right now, so this is just testing environment for QuickBooks, but essentially you get the point. You can invite over here and then of course get it set up that way, and then whenever you have the accountant permissions, you'll be able to undo it and therefore delete the reconciliation. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.